This dance is called My Mother, My Teacher, My Friend. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, beginner little leg dance. Starting on our right foot with a mambo cross. So we're going to rock to the side on the right, recover our weight on the left, cross the right over the left. That's our mambo cross, then hold. Step the left to the side, turn a quarter turn to the right as you step your right to the side. Make sure you turn your whole body, not just twisted. As you'll see, my left heel has risen off the floor to enable me to do that. And step forward on that left and hold. So that set of steps once more then. Mambo cross off on the right. 7, 8. Mambo cross, hold, side, turn, step, hold. Go forward on a step, lock, step, right foot leading. So step forward on the right, lock the left behind the right, step forward on the right, hold. Into a jazz box with a cross. Cross the left over the right, step the right back, left to the side, cross the right over the left. So that set of steps once more then. Step, lock off on the right. 7, 8. Step, lock, step, hold, cross, back, side, cross. Add that to the top. Mambo cross off on the right. 7, 8. Mambo cross, hold, side, turn, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, cross, back, side, cross. Step the left to the side, hold, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. Step the right to the side, hold, cross the left behind the right, turn a quarter turn right as you step that right forward. Again, making sure you're turning your body. So that set of steps once more then. Side hold off on the left. 7, 8. Side hold, back, rock, side hold, behind, turn. So add that to the top. Mambo cross off on the right. 7, 8. Mambo cross, hold, side, turn, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, cross, back, side, cross, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, behind, turn. Going to make another quarter turn right now as we step our left to the side. Hold, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, into a vine to the right with a cross, side, behind, side, cross. So that section once more then. Further quarter turn, as we step the left to the side. 7, 8. Turn, hold, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross. End of dance when we get to that point. Let's put it all together. Mambo cross off on the right. 7, 8. Mambo cross, hold, side, turn, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, cross, back, side, cross, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, behind, turn, turn, hold, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross. So that is your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Mambo cross off on the right. 7, 8. Mambo cross, hold, side, turn, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, cross, back, side, cross, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, behind, turn, turn, hold, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, hold, side, turn, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, cross, back, side, cross, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, behind, turn, hold, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, side, turn, step, step, lock, step, cross, back, side, cross, side, back, rock, side, behind, turn, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross. Hopefully you managed to follow that, because I did actually miss out the holds on that last walk. And just put a little pause in there, which is what you'll get through the music. So that is your dance, that's your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. Mambo cross, side turn, step, step, lock, step, cross, back, side, cross, side, back, rock, side, behind, turn, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross, mambo cross, side turn, step, step, lock, step, cross, back, side, cross, side, back, rock, side, behind, turn, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross, mambo cross, side, turn, step, step, lock, step, cross, back, side, cross, side, back, rock, side, behind, turn, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross, mambo cross, side, turn, step, step, lock, step, cross, back, side, cross, side, back, rock, side, behind, turn, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, step, lock, side, turn, mambo, step, lock, side hold, mambo, step, lock, side hold, mambo, step, lock, side hold, turn,
I don't know what I would do without her. It's the one place I hope I'll ever be, and nobody knows us better. Nobody cares for us the same. She's the woman that I can count on. She's my mother, my teacher, my friend. She's my mother, my teacher, my friend.
hope you managed that one.